Hey guys, this is Aniket and today I have the Boat Airdopes 281 with me and let's unbox it. The Boat Airdopes 281 comes in this sort of packaging. There's Boat branding on every side and at the back you get to see some highlighted features which I will be discussing in the later part. So now let's unbox it. Continuing with the unboxing, on the top you get to see your eardopes. They actually look very cool with this red ear tips. And then here in this plastic wrap you get your charging case. Underneath the tray you get to see your Type A to Type C USB cable. And lastly, some paperwork, that is an instruction manual, a warranty card and a promotional booklet. So now coming to the physical overview, here are the Airdopes 281. I have the black and red variant, but it is also available in a blue color variant as well. Although I have the black and red variant, but it is not the black that is advertised or printed on the box. And the red accents are also dull in compared to the printed picture. Anyways, the Airdopes 281 comes in this all black matte finish plastic body with a little bit of red accents in the logo and ear tips. The ear tips are a bit blunt in shape and you get to see charging pins along with the left and right indication. At the bottom you get to see some black glossy plastic and a hole at the center for the mic. Both the earbuds have pairing indicator underneath their logo and either one of them will light up while pairing depending on which one you pulled out first. Coming to the case, this is also full black matte finish plastic body with a red colored Boat branding on top. In the front you get to see 4 LEDs for battery indication and at the back you get to see your Type C port for charging. Inside the case, it is also full black and at the top they have given some soft material to prevent scratching. The case also have left-right indication for proper housing and is also magnetic. Overall, the build quality and finish of this product is really good. I have no complaints regarding that. The Airdopes 281 comes with Bluetooth version 5.0. It has IPX5 water and sweat resistance and the driver size is 6mm. It also supports advanced audio coding and the battery capacity for each earbud is 40 mAh. And for the case it's 420 mAh. The weight of each earbud is 4 grams and for the case it's 41 grams. Pairing is simple and easy, no problems faced while pairing. For the controls, single tap on either earbud to play or pause a song. Double tap on the right one to go to the next track and double tap on the left one to go to the previous track. Single tap on either earbud to answer or hang up a call and touch and hold either earbud for 2 seconds to reject the call. Also touch and hold either earbud to activate Google Assistant. Lastly, in case you face connectivity issues and want to factory reset the device, then you need to put these back into the case. Look for the charging LED that they are getting charged. After that, tap 3 times on both the earbuds. The LEDs will flash twice in red and then it will get steady red. Take out both the earbuds and wait until the blue light is flashing. After some time, the blue flashing LEDs will change to blue and red. Tap on both the earbuds and then wait for some time until the right earbud flashes in blue and red. And only when the right earbud is flashing in blue and red, it means that it is ready to pair and is successfully been reset. The fitting and comfort of these earbuds are good, however it entirely differs from person to person. I loved how it fits and feels. It has a very comfortable design perfect for long time usage and the earbuds are also very light in weight, making it ideal for long usage. The sound quality of these earbuds are really good for the price. The bass is very good, it has a very punchy bass. Loudness is also very good, clarity and treble is decent I will say. And the mids and lows are pretty basic or average I should say. This product's main focus is the bass and is perfect for heavy bass lovers. Overall, it offers good sound quality for the price.
ব্রু
হ্যালো হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ বল বল।
হ্যাঁ বলছি, তুই আমার ভয়েসটা কিরকম শুনতে পাচ্ছিস?
ঠিকই শুনতে পাচ্ছি, নর্মালি।
মানে আমার
Normal.
ফ্যান যে ঘুরছে, তোর কোনো সারাউন্ডিং নয়েজ আছে?
না।
আচ্ছা, আর আমার ভয়েসটা কি ক্লিয়ার আছে একদম?
ক্লিয়ার আছে, হ্যাঁ। আরেকবার কথা বল, বল কিছু।
হ্যালো, এখন কি খেলতে আসবি? তাহলে তোর সাথে খেলবো এখন।
হ্যাঁ ক্লিয়ার আছে।
ওকে,
হুম।
থ্যাঙ্কস।
Gaming with these is decent I will say. There is a slight lag just like all other non-gaming Bluetooth earbuds have. At this price it is common and this is not big of an issue if you are gaming casually. The battery backup is very good. It will provide more than 3 hours of battery backup on single charge, and with the case combined it will give around 14 to 15 hours of playback time. Although the charging is not that great, it takes more than an hour to fully charge. Overall, this is a good product in respect to the pricing. For 1600 rupees, you are getting loud and bass packed earbuds, which provide good battery backup as well. So you can buy it if you are searching for earbuds around the 1500-1600 rupees mark. The links are given below. But wait, if you can increase your budget to 2000 rupees, then you can go for the Airdopes 281 Pro as well, which will provide better calling, better battery backup, fast charging, and of course Bluetooth version 5.1. Link for the Airdopes 281 Pro will also be in the description. And this is it guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.